In this tutorial, I will guide you how to enable voice chat in Arc Raiders. If you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now, first you might check your audio settings or controls to check on how to enable the voice chat. So select this gear icon here, settings, then select on audio. Now on the audio section, just scroll down and make sure voice chat is turned on. So if it's off, ensure that enable voice chat is turned on. Also scroll down and then you'll see here proximity chat. So proximity voice chat, you can set it to push to talk. So if you push this letter B, by default it's B. So if it's another letter, you might push that letter. But for me, if you push B, then you'll be able to enable the proximity voice chat. Also, there is a party voice chat. Now, party voice chat is a chat between you and your friends in the game. So maybe you can set it to push as well. So if you set it to push to talk, if you push that, then you might be able to talk with your friends. So there is party chat and the proximity voice chat, but the one which I prefer is proximity voice chat, where you can talk with anyone that is around on your area. So let me show on how I can enable it. So just press back and then you can select here on play, and then let's say start the game. So I can select any, let's say I can select this on the damn battlegrounds and then confirm, then click ready up and then wait for the matchmaking to finish. To enable the proximity voice chat, you'll have to push or hold on the letter B, and if you hold on the letter B, you can see the speaker icon. This shows that it's detecting your voice, and whenever you talk, anyone that is near your surrounding will be able to hear on you. Also, there is a party chat which by default is letter Z. If you push on it, you'll be able to enable the voice chat for party chat as well, but I prefer proximity chat, which allows you to talk with your friends near your surroundings. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.